Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cuff and the Dip coming at you guys with another one. Hopefully, everybody's doing good out there. You already know what it is on this end. Doing pretty good myself. Chilling, man. Been tracking these charts, man. Trying to see what the market's really looking like right this second. You know what I mean? So, hopefully, everybody's doing the same and trying to I guess stay ahead of the game, be educated, and you know what I mean, kind of catch some of these opportunities that are available. Hold on, let me check this. Like I hear echo. Hold on. Mic check. Let me know if you guys hear echo or not. All right, I think I got it figured out, hopefully. Let me know if you guys still hear an echo or anything like that. But other than that, man, what's going on, everybody? I said we had Stevie in the building. I appreciate you guys for sliding by. What up, Stevie? What up, Shive Kings? Crypto Tone in the building. Got some regulars in the building. What's the word, man? You guys already know we're going to dig into the market a little bit. Then if you guys have any projects you guys want me to tap into to see how that chart's doing right now during this super bearish and volatile time right now currently, we can check that out also. So you can drop that in the chat. I'll pull up the chart and we'll see kind of where we're at right this second, and then go from there, you know. Should have grabbed me something to drink. Hold on 2 seconds. Get my ugly mug on the screen. What's the word? What's going on? How you guys feeling today? The normal spill. Let's get into some chart talk real quick. But actually, I'm skipping this step. Let's look and see how we're doing really quick. Jumping the gun really quick. So refresh, make sure we're accurate. All right, so right now we got Bitcoin at $17,028. It's only up about 0.5% right now, almost about the same with Ethereum, about 0.7%, which is relatively 0.5 to me. I'm just gonna call it 0.5. Sort of basically around the same ranges. Percentage gains today, $1,286 right now currently. Let's see where else we got. BNB really just be minding its own business in its own lane. It don't move too much up, too much down. It just keeps fluctuating a very small amount. I like that about it. XRP's at about 39 cents. Okay. 10 cents on the Dogecoin, up about 2.1%. Polygon 93 cents, not horrible. Shiba 1.4%. I just don't be understanding how Solana gets as much traction as it does, but man, shouts out to Solana and all they do, baby. You know what I mean? Yeah, Crow's just not moving from 6 cents, y'all. Next time that move, I think it's gonna be like a significant movement from that, man. That Joker is kind of just sitting there. This together. All right, so I don't know how you move these jokers. I'm just leave right there. All right, so this right here is the range that we're trading within right now. So if I could call it, it's getting rejected around this range multiple different days in a row. So it is the day chart. So multiple different times you can see, what is it, 1, 2, 3, now 4 days in a row getting rejected around the same exact range. So chances are we could push downward a little bit with this. I mean, it keeps trying to knock back at this level. If it was going to have the support, not the support, the volume to kind of push past this, I feel like it probably would have already, as we're closing in on the weekend. And as you guys know, it's not the maximum amount of volume on the weekend. There still is some trading as far as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but you know, stock market's closed, so we'll just have to see how this pans out. Or maybe it'd be another like on stream dump, which I'm fully up for that one too. We got like the on stream dump going on. Wasn't a bad flavor last time. See how much this Joker could come down. Probably the next level to reach be probably around this range first. If it drops past there, so about 40% sheesh. Yeah, that'd be. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bunch of volume loss. And this is 60. I'm looking up. I'm my bad. I'm tripping. I'm like, damn, that's 60%. I'm looking at the wrong damn numbers myself. Don't mind me, guys. I'm a little sleepy. It's only 5%. I'm like, damn, that's a lot. So it's 5.1%. I'm like, what the? All right, so let me do that again because I was tripping. Right here is about 3%, 3.1%, and then right here is about 5%, so it's not that horrible unless it breaks these levels and continues to drop down to Yeah, I don't know who made that song, but they was not picking the phone up, period. But yeah, I'm seeing around like 760 ranges are the next range after like 1245 or so. It's another soft level underneath 1245, but that's really what we're looking at around this point in time. Yeah, this all right here was just a run up. Let me redo that. That's a big ass loop. Alright, so previously, bam, right here, cross indicating we're going up. Bam, cross, we're going down. Bam, cross, now we're going back up, out of range. And damn it, I always do that. I don't know, I always do that. Maybe I can't zoom in on that. And okay, that's different. Just leave that alone because it don't like me. It's okay, y'all. So we get right here. You can see another cross that just happened right here. So if I zoom back out, because I'm zoomed in super duper close. What's going on, DJ Landau? Long time, fam. Yeah, definitely, man. How you feel? Definitely been a while, man. How you feel, man? But yeah, so we got our indication as far as on the day chart. I was zoomed in. No smart money, just retail money right now. Currently, just kind of moving this. These are the indicators that I feel like this could possibly go down at this point. There was some misleading indicators beforehand that kind of could have been like, oh, okay, it can go either way. To me, it's more so telling me that it can go down more than anywhere else right this second. But I could be completely wrong. But that's what it's kind of saying to me. I'm thinking to go down for a little bit, and then we'll have another relief rally that may or may not break the previous resistance that we were trying to get past, depending on what the news is at this Fed meeting. Feeling good, Bears fun as fuck. Yeah, man, it's a good way to capitalize and make some money, man. If you know how to make some money inside of this market, man, then you're pretty much in heaven, man. It's just rinse and repeat over and over and over again. Not as big as amounts as you would see if it's a bearish market, but you can still make money within this market. Sometimes people make it a little bit more difficult than it needs to be, as far as to, you know what I mean, make a little extra money as far as these different things. So it's on a daytime frame. Let's look on 1 hour. I haven't looked on 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, pay attention to how the specs look different. So we had our cross right here, came back in range, so it's still going down with a little bit of space in between these two, so it may go down a little bit more, then probably change directions. Look at the correlating chart. See, this is how I move my lines. I have no clue where that just was, but it's okay though. I'll figure it out. I never lock them in. Don't ask me why. Let's see if I can get it to where you guys see it good. So had this run up right here. Then you guys see kind of consolidated around this range for a little bit. Then broke out of this range. It looks like it's trying to come back into this range. So may try to consolidate around this range again. And if it doesn't manage to stick around this range, it's probably gonna downtrend a bit more, I'm feeling. As you can see, this big ass like gap in between where you don't have any support or resistance levels really around this range. Not too tough like that. A couple soft levels between here and here. If I put these levels right here, I'm pretty sure it was right there, but it's not showing because I don't have that amount of chart on my VPR to pop out if I squeeze it to where you can't see shit. Yeah, so it's coming down. I would honestly say at this level, I'll probably move this shit. Should be like right here. Yeah. Around like right there. So I'll mess with it later. So yeah, let's see if it breaks down into this channel. Not exactly a double top, but looks really damn close to a double top. So we'll see how it ends up playing out. If it breaks down past this level right here and it keeps continuing going down and downtrend. Bitcoin really quick, then we'll take a short break, come back to it, look at the smaller market cap, see what they got going on. Bitcoin just has a shit ton of like support and resistance underneath it at this point on the 4 hour. So it would take a little bit of like serious selling pressure to get past all of this resistance and support levels that it has to go through. Yeah, coming down to a support level. I like the fact that I feel like if this Fed news ends up being, I guess, taken as a good thing, we have a lot of room to run, which is pretty good. So at the very least, around like 18K at the very least. These levels will probably change as we start to run up a bit, but. And you can kind of see why everybody thinks it'd be around a $12,000 Bitcoin, because that's where you start seeing heavy support and resistance levels around this range, around like it's not 17, 12K or so. After it breaks, probably around like 16.5, probably around 16.5 or so. Don't quote me on that. We'll kind of tap in and then see from there what it looks like from there. But in the meantime, between time, guys, we'll tap into some smaller market caps. You guys got any questions or want me to look into any other tokens, let me know, throw it into the chat. We can check it out. Smaller market caps will be a little bit more difficult. I'm not gonna lie to you right now, it's not the best value, and especially with ETH being super volatile, it's not the best time to look at them as far as I guess for a structural strength at this point, but it's still some really solid projects out here that are maintaining throughout this bearish market. But we'll tap into that once we come back, guys. Thank you. And welcome back. So we got our first candidate up here right now. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but this was a hot ticket for a little bit, guys. Ran up quite a bit from, when was it? When did I have this run up? So it really started around November 27th is when you kind of had it stagnant, and then this is where we get a lot of value. November 27th, yeah, and it starts to run up from the 28th to the 29th. Then the 30th is when we had a sell-off, so a couple days ago. Then seems to be kind of teeter-tottering around this range right here, messing with this support level, seeing if it's gonna hold. If not, may come down a little bit, but this has ran up astronomical percentages in a super bearish market. So this has been really interesting to watch, just as chart, you know what I mean? Not really what they're kind of bringing to the market per se, but just as a chart to kind of see how they hold within this market right now, especially with pretty much everything else like going downward. I'm not gonna lie to you. So let me see. Let's go to Bolix token. This is what I mean by like tokens like holding up within the market. Even though it's not the best the market's right this second, Bolix token has still been holding its own for some time. Definitely a bit of a decline, but found a level to trade sideways that went below it a little bit a couple times, giving people opportunities to buy back in if it's something that they like, and then, you know what I mean, still trading around this range. So we got definitely some significant support levels around this range, so it could keep trading around here, which is what I would hope for during these bearish sentiment times. It may be a situation to where ETH goes down a little bit lower, so you may see the chart go down lower because it's paired to ETH. But other than that, man, I think this will definitely hold up. What's going on, baby fat? Yo, what's the word? What's going on? But yeah, I think this is probably hold up right where it's at right there. So it's probably be some good ranges to probably DCA, not financial advice at all, period. But you know, only got about 1 hour sleep, man. Tell me about it, man. I feel like I need to drink a nap real quick. That's why I'm dragging a little bit. That's why this stream probably won't be the longest in the world. You know what I mean? Short, informative, straight to the point. If you guys got any questions about any charts, I'll definitely pull it up, check her out, and see where we're at from there. But other than that, I'm just gonna pull up a couple that I got that I've been rocking with lately, and go from there. All right, so we got Saitama. So fighting in between this range, may have found a level of support to trade sideways at, as we have been trying to find one of those for some times within that. So it almost found this level right here, broke it, went above it, came down, broke it, and now it's trading around this level. Broke it a couple different times, but it looks like it's trying to hold this up and getting rejected around this level of resistance. So with enough volume, we can probably see it push past these, but I don't know if we're gonna have a whole bunch of volume coming forward. It may be a bullish period of time if we see a pivot and people actually are receptive to that. If they're not really receptive to that decision of trying to pivot, it'll be interesting to kind of see. I don't know. I'm just in it for the ride, you know what I mean? Trying to see what we can make out of this situation. Keep in mind also, guys, in 55 minutes we got a Twitter space also that's already been scheduled. It's been out there. Hopefully you guys are retweeting and kind of supporting the space a little bit. Feel free to pop in and kind of see what we have going on there. We chop it up about the market, multiple other different things, and it's a open space for you guys to ask any questions or concerns that you guys have about the project or anything else. If only that was feasible, we'd be straight. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's crazy out here. So that was let's check out Grove on ETH. I know they had a little bit of a downtrend. It's almost like this pump right here, and it like continued to go back into its downtrend in another section almost. So we'll see if it breaks out of this downtrend or not, but it looks like it's still coming down a little bit, but it keeps it's trying to push up and use this level as a support. We'll see if it comes back up, retest, use this as a support, and maybe pushes forward from here. So just kind of got to keep looking and seeing how these things pan out. Like I said, the entire market's down. It's not the best time to really be trying to map too much anything out, if that makes sense. I feel like all of this is gonna come down a little bit more if Bitcoin and Ethereum do so. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why do I keep looking at ApeCoin on this one? And delete the temptation. We have Bolix. Look how Clear Crypto. Just buy more Tonic. What is Tonic doing? People keep telling me about that, man. On the crib. Oh, so I've been here before, eh? Damn. Is this the right one? They down 555%. Shit. And that's not even the launch price, is it? Yeah, this joint was up there. What you talking about buying the dip? That's more than a handful, baby fat. Goddamn. I wonder if this is the real specs. Okay, let me go from the all-time high and see how far down this stuff here is. It's only down from the all-time high 95%. That's about everybody. It just looks way worse than it than it should possibly. But no, I know a lot of people that were investing into this, man. I don't know if it was under the Dejan Act or, 'cause I don't know much about it. Chart's a little scary. This is a hell of a downtrend right here, though. So it pretty much launched, it went up a little bit, this candle got engulfed and had a green day and had a hell of a sell-off. Stay down for the come up. Hey, I feel you, but damn, that's gonna be a hell of a come up though. Gonna be a hell of a come up. Trust me, guys. You can tell when I'm tired. I'm a little less informative than usual, but I'm like semi-informative and shit right now. Yeah, pretty much looked at all the tokens that I wanted to check out. I mean, I can look at Slake really quick, but Slake doesn't have a whole lot of volume. It's only about 339 bucks right now in Slake, but they're still trying to hold their own really close to their point of control, so that's not bad. Not bad. Reached a peak of about 0.012, so not bad. See how this market treats us going forward. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, concerns, thoughts, anything like that. Like I told you guys, I'm a little bit more tired than usual, so I'm gonna probably grab me a bite to eat before the space stuff like this. So there'll probably be a way shorter stream than usual. But if you guys have any questions or thoughts or anything you want me to look up, more than willing to go ahead and knock it out for you guys. Just go ahead and throw it in the chat. Other than that, man, enjoy this smooth commercial section, and we'll be right back. All right. Like I said, guys, a little bit more tired than usual, so probably will kick out of here a little bit earlier. Do appreciate everybody for stopping by who's been chilling and rocking with me, guys. We'll track the chart and kind of see how things go as we go throughout the weekend. Probably will not be doing a stream tomorrow night, just keeping it 100. Probably will do a space though. Probably will do a space or hop into some spaces or something like that. So I'll be active tomorrow and still be around, but I'll be trying to catch up on a little bit of rest this weekend. I've been kind of burning myself out a little bit, man. I've been putting the foot to the throttle as far as trying to do things for the project, but you guys will see the results of it as you see the flight club and the things we're trying to do kind of come to light as we're going forward. So as you guys know, and I normally say, man, you guys enjoy. Well, first of all, let me cut the music. You know what I mean? You guys enjoy the rest of your night, man. I appreciate you guys for coming out. You already know what it is. And I will see you guys on the Twitter space in about 43 minutes or so if you guys end up wanting to show up. If not, I will see you guys Monday. Holler at you guys later. I'm out of here.